with Arizona Cypress, another Oklahoma-proven tree that we want to introduce to you. Now, this tree is a native to southwestern U.S., and so therefore you might guess that it can thrive in our hot, dry conditions. And it also prefers a well-drained soil. Typically, the thing that you might notice first of all is the foliage on it, and it has this beautiful gray-green, almost into a blue color foliage. There is a popular cultivar called Cook's Peak, which was discovered in Cook's Peak, New Mexico, and it has a bit more of a silvery bluish foliage to it and a bit more of a pyramidal form to the overall shape of the tree. There's also some cultivars that are becoming more popular that have a bit more of a yellow foliage to them. Typically, Arizona cypress get about 20 to 25 feet tall with about a 15-foot spread. Also, as Arizona cypress get a bit older, you'll start to see more of the exfoliating bark on the trunk of the tree, revealing orange and green.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.